Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Speak English Well. My name is Jake, and today I'm going to tell you a story about two friends who want to play basketball. Let's see who wins. There are two boys. They are best friends, and they also love to play basketball. His name is Tom, and his name is Jack. They are best friends. One day, Tom says to Jack, "Let's play basketball against each other." Jack smiles and says, "Okay, let's do it. I am going to win. They go to a basketball court. It is a beautiful day. The sun is shining. The birds are singing. The air is warm, but not too hot. They have nice weather today. Before they play, Jack ties his sneakers. Tom drinks water. They decide to play to 10 points. Whoever gets 10 points first wins the basketball game. Tom gets the ball first. And Tom dribbles the ball to the basketball hoop. Jack is guarding him. Tom shoots the basketball into the basketball hoop, and it goes in. "Yay!" Tom said. "I scored." Jack says, "It's my turn now." Now Jack has the basketball. Jack dribbles the basketball to the basketball hoop. Tom is guarding Jack. Jack shoots the basketball but misses. "Oh no!" yells Jack. Tom laughs. "Ha ha ha ha." They play basketball for 1 hour. Both Jack and Tom have 9 points. It's Tom's ball. And Tom says, I'm going to win. Tom dribbles the ball. Tom dribbles the ball and is going to shoot the ball. But Jack steals the ball. Jack steals the ball and runs to the hoop. He runs to the hoop and shoots the ball. And the ball goes inside the hoop. The basketball goes inside the hoop. And Jack wins. Jack wins. Woo! Jack says, I won. Jack is very happy that he won. He won that basketball game. Oh no, said Tom. Tom is not very happy that he lost the basketball game. But Tom and Jack both had fun. If you liked this story about Tom and Jack, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. We'll see each other again soon. Bye.